Shifting our focus to Karnataka, we're looking at more trouble coming in the way of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The Enforcement Directorate likely to be booking Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the Karnataka Muda case. We're looking at sources giving us information about the ED wanting to step in and take over the probe in the Muda scam. ED is likely to book Siddaramaiah under Money Laundering Act, if at all found suspicious. Sources tell us ED currently studying the Lokayukta FIR. In fact, after Lokayukta, which was initially probing this case, it now the ED that will likely step in and probe Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the Muda case. Huge development coming in here. It was just today that BJP ally, the JDS chief, Supremo HD Kumaraswamy, cast aspersions on the Anti-Corruption Bureau, the Lokayukta in Karnataka, being controlled by the state government, the Congress government, and that Siddaramaiah could have very well used his influence to guide the probe in his favor. And just at the same day itself, we have news coming in that now the ED is likely to be stepping in, taking up this investigation. Will also, most likely, if found suspicious, book Chief Minister Siddaramaiah under PMLA. Anaga Keshav, our correspondent, who's been very closely tracking these developments here for us, brings us more. Anaga, more trouble coming in the way of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in Karnataka in the Muda case. It appears the ED now likely to step in and will be booking a case under PMLA involving the Chief Minister. Any reactions from the Congress so far?
Well, Nabila, at this point, the Chief Minister is yet to react on this matter. He says that he is consulting with his legal team of experts on what next to do. But, it appears that the ED will study the FIR that the Lokayukta has filed, where the Chief Minister himself is A1, A2 is his wife Parvati, A3 is Parvati's brother Mallikarjun, and A4 is Devaraju. So the Enforcement Directorate, which is likely to step in, will be studying the FIR, and if found, if there's even a needle of suspicion where there was misuse of power, then, Chief Minister is likely to be booked under the PMLA section. Huge setback for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. In fact, very recently in the state cabinet, they had revoked unrestricted access for CBI's entry into state-related matters. But it appears now every single attempt that was made by the state government to close the doors of the centre is now, the ED has now stepped in to take cognizance of this issue.